Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome to my channel, Bimmy Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I created this emerald green Christmas eye look. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Okay, so the holiday season is right around the corner, and I'm going to show you a beautiful emerald green eye makeup look that you can use this holiday when you're out and about with your family, friends, or at different celebrations. For this look, I'm going to be using a palette from Lord & Taylor. It has like a ton of colors, which is why I love it. But I'm going to be using more of the colors along this part. They unfortunately don't have a name, so I wouldn't be able to tell you specifically, but I wanted to show you on the palette where it is, just in case you have it or you want to get it. I already have on pretty much a bit of base. And we're just gonna go and do the eyes, and then we'll clean up and do concealer underneath when we're done. So let's get into it. I like to put on eye primer first. I always use my NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof Primer. So we'll go in with that first. I use a very small amount, then I just use my fingers to rub that in. And then what I want to do before I put the green on is put a little bit of concealer on my upper eyelid. So that the base that I work on is not as dark. Just need my beauty blender. Cause I got dark circles, honey. And unfortunately, it's not even like dark circles because I didn't sleep. It's just like hereditary. It's the story of my life. All right, so our base is concealed. Let's start with the emerald green. So I'm just gonna grab a really nice eye shadow brush. I'll just use this one. I think it's from MAC. And I'm gonna start with, I like to do light colors. So I'm gonna start with, from the palette, I think I'm gonna start with this one of these two. I'm probably gonna do both. All right. Let's go. With, ooh, my earring just flew off. We'll put it on back later. Let's go in with a lighter green, or maybe, let's go in with a lighter color at the top. I'll use a different brush. I'll use this brush. For the brow bone, I'm gonna use like a little bit of a golden color, like right here. Oh yes, I like it. All right. Let's do a little bit more on this one. Fantastico. I don't know why it's so dark up there. I'm just gonna go right across then. Right across. Boom. All right, now we got to do the crease. In the crease, I was gonna do like a dark green, but because this green's so strong, I don't know. Let's try. I'm gonna do the dark green at the end there. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Dark green in the crease. Perfection. Now it is time to blend this baby in. This is the brush we're gonna blend with. Just trying to get everything to blend together smoothly and nicely. All right. Now what we're gonna do is clean up the sides. We could use a little bit of makeup remover. I have my makeup remover and my go-to Q-tips. Just gonna do it here. Oh yes, lovely. Again, what I try to do when it comes to the ends is just like draw that perfect line kind of from the end of your eyebrow to the end of your eye line and clean up everything else. I'm happy with that. Then we can do a final wipe. I'm gonna do lashes last. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're still here and liking this look. Now let's, we're gonna do lashes last, so let's conceal. Fenty Beauty, my go-to Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in color 400. Yeah. Da, 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 da. All right, now we're gonna use our beauty blender. When you use your beauty blender, do you do it dry or do you do it wet? How do you, when you're blending in, how do you do it? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Sometimes I'm lazy and I just do it dry, but I feel like I'm supposed to wet it. And I feel like I do see a difference when I do wet it, but I forgot to. So we're doing it dry, which is all good. It's okay. Dun, da, da, da. Blend, 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 blend. Let me get this one. I think this is the concealer brush by Real Technique. I don't know which one it is. I love it. Yes, honey. Them dark circles are gone. Dark circles are gone. Like I said, I kind of already had on foundation. So maybe we'll just do a little bit of powder. I don't even know if I need it, but I want to set. I kind of just want to set the concealer and have it stop looking so orangey. So I'm going to use this And just boom, boom, boom. Look at the difference. Set and not set. Set is like perfect, smooth, soft. Not set is like yellowy, orangey, looking like I'm cray. I feel like setting powder is essential. Bobbi Brown used to sell like a compact with concealer. They had a corrector, then they had a concealer. And at the bottom of the concealer, they had a little bit of setting powder and it came with a little brush. Oh my God, I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I used that for years. Shout out to Bobbi Brown. Even though right now I'm using Fenty Beauty. All right, we are set. We are set. I feel like I'm unbalanced without my darn earring on. It's all good. It's all good, we flowing. Eyelash time, my favorite part of the routine. Go in with my Clinique high impact, what's this? High impact mascara. And we're just going to go like so. And do a thin coat. Now the magnetic eyelashes I'm going to use are sold exclusively on Amazon.com. They are called Bimmy Beauty. And in the eyelash kit, you get 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, 2 magnetic eyeliners, and 1 lash applicator. I am going to leave the Amazon link to the listing down below in the description box so you can order yours and get this look with me. Let's get the magnetic eyeliner on. All right. Did I shake this well? Let me shake it again. Shaking is so important. You gotta shake your magnetic eyeliner. You gotta shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right. We're gonna go in. I was about to say, I could already feel that some of it accidentally went into my eye. Q-tip. Okay. I'm comfortable with how much I used. From the pack, let's do Saturn. Let's put on Saturn with this look so that we can really stand out. Let me pull it off. I'm pulling it off the kit. Sorry, I said Saturn. Yeah, let's do Saturn. This one's Saturn. So orientation is key. Oh, it's the wrong one then. Orientation is key. Like I say all the time, make sure you're putting the left eyelash on the left eye, the right eyelash on the right eye. And the only way to tell that is to make sure that the shorter side goes closer to your nose and the longer side goes closer to your ears. Like that. Boom. Let it dry a little bit. And then we're gonna go in. Yes, hunty. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's on. Boom. Oh my God, hello. Hi, my name is Krystal. Nice to meet you. What are you buying me for Christmas? I just love how lashes take you from 0 to 100. Like, I love it. I usually curl them, but honestly, this is curled. Like, if you can't curl it any more than this. You really can't. I'm gonna use a magnetic eyeliner on the other side. Oi. See, on this side, I always go in the second time, start halfway through, and do a full complete line. Take my lash applicator, take my beautifully, perfectly curled Saturn, and we're gonna apply it. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Just making sure it's all applied on nicely. And it looks good, which it does. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so those are on. What I notice is this one is, I put it on too close to that way. So let's just rip it off. Add a little bit more liner. Sometimes when you're doing it, you just gotta make sure, like adjustment wise, that it's sitting properly on your eye. Else it looks a little weird. Let's go back in. Boom, boom, boom. All right, that is so much better. All right, viens ici. We're going. All right. So much better. So much better. So as you can see, the one I put on is Saturn from the pack, and it's a cat eye eyelash. So I absolutely love it because it gets thicker and longer and wider towards the end. So you get this kind of look. Let's try to do a little bit on the cheeks. And then we're almost done the look, basically. I cannot. Oh, here we go. Just using my loose powder. Because it's Christmas, we gotta shine like an ornament. We gotta shine, girl. Okay, now let's do our lips. I'm gonna do, because the eyes are so bold, I want to go very light on the lips. I'm thinking of doing a nude, or I'm thinking of just doing a gloss. Let's just do a gloss. Boom. All right, so this is Holiday Glam look number 2, using the Bimmy Beauty magnetic eyelashes. I'm gonna put my hair like this because you know what happened to the earring. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this look. This emerald green beauty. I like it, but I want to know if you like it because I like everything. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to my channel, and that's it, that's all. Take